This is a true two-bedroom. If you want to live on the Upper West Side, close to the subway, subway's at the corner, literally right at the corner, 2 minutes walk, minute walk, 90 seconds, and you're on a budget, this is the apartment. Has a true kitchen, a true living room, and separate bedrooms at the end of separated from each other. So that's the ideal situation most roommates want. It's probably what you're wanting as well. First, you have your bathroom, basic bathroom, very clean bathroom. And let's turn here so you can get a perspective of the entranceway. Okay. Move left and you have the first bedroom. You have your first bedroom here. So let's go back so you can see the perspective. So you're walking in, bathroom, first bedroom, first bedroom, living room, which is huge. This is a pretty big size for a living room. And in the living room, it's got a closet. Closet here, dual closet. Okay, now we're going to go in the kitchen now. The kitchen, the light bulb is out, so you have to keep that in mind as you look at this. But you have lots of counter space. This is the kitchen. Lots of cabinetry, pretty red cherry cabinets. Very clean. As you can see, it's windowed as well. So basically everything that you need. Here's your second bedroom. Okay. Both bedrooms can fit a queen size bed, so keep that in mind. It has its own closet, floor to ceiling closet. A view here. Okay, so if you're on a budget and you want to live on the Upper West Side, Morningside Heights, close to the train, walking distance to Columbia, then this is it. This is an affordable apartment, and it really works. Call me.